Rapper capper, him a the real godfather. The struggle real, but we have to go and hold the hard.
Currency and also ammunition. At this point, we have no idea what can be hidden in there.
She give me alert to the vehicle. Good girl, that's a good girl. That's a good girl.
With a positive alert from the canine, officers begin to search for the contraband.
You might want to make it look like you're a roofer doing construction, but something else is going on here. This is one of the things we noticed. The base of the liner's not flat, as well as loose.
I wonder what them having at this Havana now,
They're
people.
rather new, and they're not the proper screw for this type of lining. There you go. There you go. All the way to 12.
Me crocodile tail. Me mango skin.
Whoa.
These are different.
Good name out of your mama dirty pot. Me
Different calibers
croco.
as well as magazines. This is surprising, especially since they're loose. This is going to be a good bust. This is obviously thousands of rounds.
Me
We're going to be
mama.
here a while trying to sort it all out. But just to give you an idea, it's thousands of rounds.
I store them on.
3 inches deep. But there's parts of it where it's actually
Me
deep.
crocodile tail.
Some of them, I mean, you do have the 557, you got a 9
Me
mil.
mango
You
skin.
have some 45s, 38 specials. I've also seen some 22 caliber ones.
See your
So there's
octopus
numerous,
tentacles.
calibers in here, mixed in here. It's going to be a long process, but we are going to have to take an actual accurate count. If it's round by round, it might take us a while, but it is necessary for a proper count. It's an awesome feeling to be able to find something like this. But I think it should be pointed out that this is really nothing compared to what goes through. This is a small dent. I think there needs to be more.
Yo! What? Is it that? It seems like I'm going to supply an army. What do you guys think? Huh? Make a cockroach egg. This struggle is real. Rapper Crapper represent for Jam Style. Just go and check out www.jamstyle.com.